Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make buko salad. Buko salad is a popular Filipino dessert. It's served in any special occasion in the Philippines and it's absolutely delicious. Last year, back in the Philippines, I collected young coconuts with my nephews and we all made buko salad together. Today, we're going to climb up a coconut tree and then we use this machete, itak, sundang, to hack it so that we can survive and drink it and eat it. Oh yeah, I show you how it's done. Hey, hey, sulong, sulong ta. This is how we climb up a coconut tree. Oh wow. Oh wow. Be careful. Wow. This is how we open the coconut fruit by using the machete or itak. First, we need to make a kutsara. Kutsara is a spoon. See, we use this as a spoon. Now I have spoon. I can now carry on opening the coconut. Now another spoon I made. That's way. I'm not forgot my jungle life, you know. And then you can. This is how we done it, look. Find out if the coconut is coconut. This is how we do it. They see? And it's consistent. And then drink it. Now back home in my Filipino cooking channel, I'm going to show you how to make buko salad. Stay tuned guys because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English. Here are the ingredients of my buko salad. Young coconut flesh which is known as buko, thickened cream, condensed milk, coconut gel which is known as nata de coco, palm seeds which is known as kaong, and fruit cocktail. Now let's start making my buko salad. Guys, in a place like France where you cannot get a fresh coconut, you can buy a frozen coconut in an Asian shop. Guys, buko salad is very easy Filipino dessert because there's no cooking. Just put everything in a bowl and let the ingredients work their magic. Guys, before we start making our buko salad, let's drain everything that needs draining, okay? So I'm going to drain the fruit cocktail first, okay? We don't need the liquid, guys, okay? So you just then place to the bowl. Next is the palm seeds, your kaong, okay? That's it. This kaong has a chewy jelly-like texture. And then place in the bowl, guys, okay? Next is our coconut gel which is nata de coco. And they have translucent color, and the same with kaong, they have a bit of chewy texture in it. Okay guys, and then place in a bowl. It's very easy. And now we can prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now we can add our young coconut meat. Okay guys? Just mix everything, okay? Wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Buko salad remind me back home in the Philippines, guys. We serve this in any special occasions. And it's very popular Filipino dessert. And now we can add our condensed milk. Just pour it on a bowl, okay guys? See? It's a matter of mixing everything together, really. And now we can add our thickened cream. There you are. Mix everything. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Oh wow, I can't wait to eat it, guys. Now it's all mixed together. It's a matter of cover it with cling film, okay guys, and place in the fridge for 12 hours. Okay guys, we just need to put our buko salad in the fridge for 12 hours, okay? And that's it. See you in 12 hours. After 12 hours, our buko salad is now ready. Let's take it out from the fridge. Now let's serve and enjoy. Buko salad is a popular party food in the Philippines. If you are enjoying the buko salad at a party, you will serve the dish in a big bowl like this. You can of course serve the buko salad for the individual. Let me show you how I like to serve it. Best served chilled. Guys, buko salad is delicious as it is, but you can also add topping to it. Sometimes I like to have it with ice cream or a glazed cherry. This is optional, guys, but it would be nice to have some color added to our buko salad. There you go. Serve and enjoy. For my party, guys, I always garnish it with a cherry. Okay. There you go guys, my buko salad ready for party. Here we go guys, my buko salad ready to serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Absolutely delicious. You have to try this guys, you will love it. I hope you enjoy my buko salad today. If you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you soon. Guys, if you like Filipino desserts, check out my playlist entitled Filipino Desserts in English.